Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Altima and I will show you how to change this main menu language on the instrument cluster. This video should apply to 6th generation of Nissan Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so you'll be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel. So you want to keep pressing the right button until you reach the settings icon on the end. Once you're here, you want to keep pressing the down button and keep going all the way down until you reach a unit and language and then press OK. And again, scroll all the way down, press OK, and here you can choose between English, French and Spanish. So if you select French, everything should be on French. But I will go back to English because I don't really speak French. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.